everyone, so I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your snipping tool so that you can take screenshots and submit them to show that you've completed your assignments. This week we're using it for Quizlet, but you can use it for a lot of different things. So first you should come down to the bottom of your screen and you're going to search for snipping tool. And it should pop up. I like to hit pin to taskbar and then have it right down here at the bottom of my screen, right here. So I can easily click it and launch it. So for now, today you are doing your flashcards. So once you've gone through all of your flashcards and you've looked at all of the words and definitions, and you get to the end, so there are 10, it's going to pop up this screen. Here's where I'm going to hit New on my snipping tool, and it's going to give me this little cross. You can use that little cross to draw a box around your finished screen that says nice work, you just studied 10 terms, to show me that you finished it. And there you have a picture of it. Now you are going to copy this. You can either come up to Edit and hit Copy, and then you can open it up over to a new Word document and paste it in. Then you just save your Word document and upload it to Schoology. I hope this video helps, and have fun with your snipping tool. It's really useful. Have a great night!